Cybersecurity. What is it and what do they even do?
My name is Gaspard Baye.
And how are you involved with cybersecurity?
I'm currently a doctorate candidate at the University of Massachusetts, and I'm finalizing my program in May. I've been working a lot in the cyber AI domain.
Gotcha. And what specifically do you specialize in with cyber and AI?
I develop AI-driven offense and defense, meaning that I develop tools or techniques or methodologies or algorithms that can be utilized to perform offensive cyber, AI augmented offensive cyber, and then I also on the other side I wear my blue hat to create AI defense, AI driven defense, just like the program I just explained
Mhm.
in a minute.
And you have published many papers before, right?
Yes, I published several papers focused on AI driven defense. One of them is called VARMAX. VARMAX is used for identifying unique or very unknown patterns. It can most likely be a 0 day, for example. And I am currently working on adversarial machine learning, both attack and defense, meaning that I'm creating novel techniques to attack AI systems. And then I also create a defense for those.
That's amazing. For students who are trying to get into research in this field, what would you recommend for successful publications?
First of all, you should have like sort of a test of the real world, because if you want to create a very good paper, you want to understand how the real world works. So maybe have an intro into cyber, have some ideas about how cybersecurity works. If you want to do maybe software engineering, security of software engineering using AI, for example, you want to first of all play with those. And once you know exactly sufficiently how these different systems works, now you can formalize it mathematically or scientifically. And for that, you need to read existing papers, meaning that you go into IEEE or IEEE Explore or Google Scholar. You download a lot of the recent research about the specific topic you're looking for. If you want to maybe solve network intrusion systems, you need to go AI papers on network intrusion. Nowadays,
Yeah.
ChatGPT is even very helpful because it performs web search, so you are able to ask ChatGPT, could you give me the most recent papers talking about AI and cybersecurity or AI and network intrusion detection? It will list maybe top 10 or something.
Mhm.
And then from there, you can now read those papers, have like a spreadsheet where you have the paper, the year, and then the title, and maybe a brief summary of how you understood it. And then from there, you will know what the literature is saying, and then you can now see what is lacking within the literature, and then you can use that to create something that is not existing.
Gotcha. Sounds like not only just researching papers, but using the tools that are available that to speed that process up,
Correct.
and then finding things that are not well versed and talked about.
Correct. And another thing that someone can also do is like if in case you want to briefly just understand some papers